Good day and good vibes to you all. My name is Devante with the Camera Kicks channel, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to be talking about audio. Now, audio is one of the most important things in a video besides the video. But I always see and hear people say that their videos on audio don't perform well. Okay, so level with me here. If someone's audio sounds bad, how long would you really watch that video? Well, before you click off this video, let me give you a couple examples on audio from different ranges of recording quality as well as tips for the most pleasing sound. Before we get into that, I want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed recently. I really do appreciate it, every single one of you, and I wish I could say it all to you personally, but YouTube doesn't show individual subs. So again, thank you. Intro. Okay, so I'm going to start by saying a few phrases or sentences talking about each recording option that I have available to me. I'm going to start with what would be considered as the best, an XLR microphone. This is the AKG Perception 2020. It is connected to an audio interface and recording on Adobe Audition. Now, let it be known, I've owned this mic for years, ever since I started writing and recording music, and that's what this mic was made for, music vocals. So, but you can do whatever you want with it, of course. Now we have a very small and light recorder that's actually very versatile. If it'll focus on it, there we go. Yeah, it's pretty versatile for the price. I've used this in a few videos already. You probably see the little lav mic on me, but one thing that irks me is having to press record on this and then having to press record on the camera, especially when I'm vlogging or like making like a talking head video like this one. It sounds good and it allows you to control your volume on this little thing here. It works great at a wedding or BTS behind the scenes or on set as a lav mic, but I wanted something so easy a caveman could do it. Anybody else get that reference? Hope so. That commercial was dope. But let me add in, this thing doesn't work anymore. I say it doesn't work. It still works. It still turns on, but I don't use it anymore because it was pretty cheap. It was maybe $40. The the USB port stopped working, and that's the only way you can get the files off of this thing. When it worked well, but I don't know, maybe it was on me, maybe I was, being a caveman, and I ended up breaking it. But I do have the Zoom H1, the smaller one, the little cheaper one. I think it's like $100. I do have that one, but I think either I misplaced it or my daughter got to it, and I don't know where it is. But anyway, moving on. Lastly, here we have my most recent product, the Pixel Voical Air. This little princess here, and she has several different capabilities. You can mount it on an external recorder like this one, and get dual audio as like a backup, or straight on camera with the cables. And for you smartphone videographers out there, they do have the, what is it, whatever this cable's called, but this is the cable with the 3 rings on it to use for your cell phone. But yeah, they include the cables and all that stuff, so you can use it on your phone rig or whatever your regular rig. It does charge via USB type C, and it will work with any type of USB type C, but they do include 2 USB type C to USB A chargers. It also has an on-device monitor, so while you're recording, you can actually watch your vocals as they're being recorded. Now, I just wanted to come back to go over the audio on this thing. For some reason, when I was recording on the M50, I got a lot of interference, so I wanted to record this on the EOS R. But this is audio straight from the receiver, which I have right here, to this microphone, so you don't have to worry about wires. You don't have to worry about hitting start or anything like that. You just clip it on if you want to. You can also attach a lav mic, but you clip it on. Here you go. It's right there. It's out of the way. So minimizing plosives and stuff is not directly in front of you. That's my daughter. And then you can also connect a external microphone to it. Yeah, so you can also put an external microphone, so you can record straight into a microphone like this or any other microphone that you have. If you'd like to get, you know, some type of wireless audio, if you connect like one of those interview mics or something like that, then here you go. Which one sounds better? I think the VideoMicro sounds better, but in terms of convenience and closeness to you, it sounds a little bit better, you know, if the mic's closer to you. So anything here that you have, you don't have to worry about being synced or anything. It goes straight to the video and you're good to go. But yeah, just plug it in and Bob's your uncle. I always wondered about that. Why do people say Bob's your uncle? What if I don't want Bob as my uncle? What if I want Jim? Jim sounds better. But yeah, audio is pretty important for video. Super scratchy audio is just not the move when recording video, because certain sounds or frequencies can turn a lot of people away from your video. Me personally, if I hear too many high-pitched noises and like screeches, or if the highs are just too much, I can't watch the video. Even if it's a good video, I just can't watch it. Now, let's take note if you're running a fan like I have before, or if you're outside and a car starts screeching down the lane or something like that, there's only so much you can do with your audio before it turns into a noise reduction mush. But that's what I'll be going over in next week's video, or maybe I'll drop it this week. I don't know. Feeling kind of frisky. But make sure you're subscribed so you catch that video and my other videos coming in the future. I have a video out every week on Tuesday morning on cameras, gear, tips, and tutorials. And until next time, everyone, thank you again very much for watching. Be safe. Good vibes.